What up, JD Gang, man?
Back with another video for y'all. We told y'all we was gonna bring y'all more content. Y'all see me back in the box truck.
Right. I bet y'all ain't never think we was gonna be back in this box truck again, man. But we back, you know what I'm saying? Where we at?
Right now we are at Amazon picking up a load, no contact, going to Dallas.
Ooh. So basically, man, what happened? Our driver, he's on the way out here. And this was like a last minute load. Usually the loads we'll book is kind of like around after 11 p.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m. or whatever. This one was at 9 p.m., which caught us by surprise as well. He just texted me right now saying he's here. So we just gonna load the truck up for him. And this is no contact load. They gonna load the truck up for us, and then we're gonna take it to Wale and, you know what I'm saying, let him finish the rest of his route or whatever. So that's why y'all see us in the box truck, man, because y'all see, man, I'm fly right now. We both fresh, you know what I'm saying, chain on, everything like that. She looking good. She got the Burberry on. We got the Burberry slides on. But nah,
we definitely was not expecting to be in the box. We wasn't expecting to be coming to pick up a load at all. Like,
right.
This was very last minute, but y'all know no rejections with Amazon at all.
Yeah.
No rejections.
Because we got early access and we are not trying to mess it up this time. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to mess it up this time. So this load right here is actually a good load, man. Like the load yesterday was, let me go to it real quick. The load yesterday we booked was $610 and it was $2.89 a mile. Yeah, well, I'm trying to park at 169. Yeah.
I'm trying to turn around. So
Oh, where you need me to go?
Can you go farther up? I get this truck on this way.
Okay, I'll go up.
You said he gotta move a load from 169.
I got you. All right. Yeah, hold up.
All right, yeah. So like he was saying, the load that we booked yesterday was $2 and. It was $2.54 a mile, and then the load we booked tonight was $2.89 a mile. Wait. Oh no, I'm tripping. So the load we booked yesterday was $2.89 a mile, paying $610, going 211 miles. And then the load that we booked today is $2.87 a mile, going 232 miles, paying $666. So that's really good.
Oh shit! Excuse me, y'all. Got a little nervous. I ain't back up in a minute.
Jesse,
I was a little close to that trailer.
So that's really good loads with Amazon, especially off of peak season.
Yeah.
So of course, with our mentorship, we show y'all how to maximize y'all payments with Amazon. Right now we got 3 more slots open for our mentorship. We do got 3, because I think a guy gonna pay tonight, so it may be 2 after this video is posted, but right now it is 3 if y'all watching this video. So. Right, so we give you the free Amazon training, and we teach you how to use the load board, and we teach you how to maximize your payments with Amazon Relay. So yeah, right now we are in a truck waiting. We actually trying to go.
We're actually going right here with this 18 wheeler.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, 169.
Oh yeah. So we're going exactly where he pulling out of, which is a power only.
Right.
And then we gonna back up, let them load us up, because this is a no contact, and I believe where he going to drop off at is a no contact as well. Yeah. So let's get into it.
Like I say, man, if you're in Houston, Texas, man, I think the rates are back. Right. I think the rates are a little up right now. You know, of course the fuel surcharges, but I think they up right now.
Right. So that was the reason for us resorting back to Amazon Relay right now, is because Amazon Relay, they do fuel surcharges. So right now, y'all know the fuel is a little expensive, but Amazon adjusts their rates to keep up with what's going on in the real world. Right. So that's why it's a good thing to have Amazon Relay under your belt as well. If you want to do over the road, it's fine, but still have the Amazon Relay, because you can always resort back to Amazon Relay.
Facts.
I don't know, y'all. I think just a little rusty now.
Rusty back here, man. Hold on, about it. Come on now. I learned from Trucking with James. Hey, I ain't lose nothing. Back up till you hit something. I ain't talking about one of these trailers.
Shut
Hopefully
up.
not one of these trailers, man.
You better not hit one of these trailers.
Nah, we good. good. We got what we got insurance? No, we ain't got insurance now.
Shut up. Do not listen to him, y'all. Y'all know we got insurance. He is just playing right now. Y'all
y'all
gonna be in the
like-
comments trying to kill us.
How y'all running with no insurance?
Exactly.
Oh yeah, I'm in there now. Feel good, man. Feel good to get at least the race that we was trying to get.
Definitely.
We always trying to stay above $600 a day. So
Right. That was definitely like our goal. Like we are actually really happy right now because our goal was to at least get between $600 and $800 dollars a day running with.
Shit.
Back up till you hit some. Wow, Jesse.
I'm about to run in here real quick.
Yeah, that was definitely our goal was to get between $600 and $800 a day to make the quota that we was trying to make. And of course, like we said, we are about to scale. We trying to get at least 3 trucks right now running just Amazon Relay. So Jesse just went in to drop off our keys to them because when there's no contact, you have to drop off your keys in the inside because they don't want you to have your truck running while the employees are loading up your truck. So whenever he gets back, then we'll tune back in with you guys. JD Gang, stay tuned. Y'all, he is too cool for school right now.
This how we doing it.
Big
today.
Burberry
Hold on, man.
with
Come-
the belt.
Wait. Trucking in James. We trucking in Burberry today, bro.
Oh
This how
my
we doing.
God.
We trucking in Burberry today. Big Vic, we trucking in Burberry today.
You is too good.
Oh man, I'm just excited, man. You know what I'm saying, to get back rolling, man. I love the dispatching as well too, but I love scaling the company. I love scaling. That's what I love to do. So, we getting our next truck next Friday. So this Friday coming up. So I just love scaling, man. I'm excited about that. That's what really makes me excited. Seeing a company just grow. So, and then I get to hire more people and have more employees and put people in position to make money too. So I don't want to be the only one making money. So yeah, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Hop in that mentorship. We got 17 people so far. Last month, the 10 people that was in the mentorship is already rolling. Like not rolling as far as their trucks. I think like 2 or 3 of them is rolling, getting their trucks, and then the rest of them is getting their authority. They waiting on the 21 days. So yeah, man, definitely, bro, definitely. And we hold y'all hand 24/7, the entire process. It is not we're not gonna answer the phone. We're gonna answer the phone 24/7. I don't care what time you call. Shout out to Carlos too, man. He's in our mentorship as well. He's up and rolling, and he calls us probably more than any one of the mentees we got, and we love it. We love it, So we love
He
it.
actually just finished his training too with us, his Amazon Relay training.
Right,
He actually
for
in
free.
Houston right now.
Yeah. And we finally met one of our mentors, which is Carlos. We met him in Houston, took him to eat, so I love it. I love it. They hustlers, man. Him and his brother, man, they definitely hustlers.
Yeah, they
so.
definitely out here trying to eat for sure.
Yeah. But yeah, man, so we'll stay tuned, man. We'll show y'all. Well, we ain't gonna be able to show y'all because I think they're gonna put the seal on it. But I guess we'll vlog when we get with Wale. Vlog when we get with Wale. Hold on, man. Just met up with my boy Wale, man.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on?
Y'all ain't see him in a minute on the YouTube, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Definitely
Yes, sir.
had to load it up for my boy, man. He's a real, dedicated and responsible guy, dog, for real, dog. So definitely, he definitely is the one that does the Amazon trainings too as well, too. So, yes, sir, man. But we're going to end it like that, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.
Make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so y'all know the next time we post.
Already, man. We out, man. Hey, we out.
Yes, sir. We out.